In order to get seed treatment out of your keg and into your pump stands, you'll need a transfer pump. To use it, first connect your hoses. The longer hose with the yellow handle spout should attach to the hose barb with the other yellow ball valve. The shorter hose with the MICROMATIC fitting should connect to the other hose barb. Before pumping any seed treatment out of your keg, you'll need to give it a stir. Doing so will ensure all chemicals in the keg are mixed properly and no active ingredients have separated. All UAS seed treatment kegs have an agitator inside used to mix the chemical. To stir, simply uncap your keg, position a drill over the fitting, and turn the drill on. After 2 to 3 minutes, the chemical should be ready. Next, take the MICROMATIC fitting at the end of your hose and press down on the spring-loaded flap. Then, pull up on the handle and ensure it's in the up position. Align the notches on the fitting with the notches on the keg. Insert, twist clockwise, press the handle down, and lock it into place, similar to tapping a keg of beer. Once the MICROMATIC fitting is attached, be sure the yellow ball valve is open. The arrow on the yellow ball valve should be pointing toward the hose. This arrow shows the direction of chemical flow. Then, assuming your pump is plugged in, turn it on. Chemical should begin flowing out of the keg and into your pump stand. For more tips, how-tos, and answers to all your seed treating questions, just give us a call or visit unifiedagsolutions.com.